The mass of the first object is m11 and the mass of the second object m2. These two masses are coming to each other, so soon they're gonna collide. So the initial velocity of mass 1 is v1I and the initial velocity of object 2 is v2I. So after their collision, we consider their final velocity v1f and v2f. So in collision, now we're going to use the conservation of momentum, which is given by m1 v1I plus m2 v2I equals m1 v1f plus m2 v2I, which means the initial momentum is equals to the final momentum. So here from this conservation of momentum, we get the equation 1. Now for elastic collision, we know that the initial kinetic energy of the system is equal to the final kinetic energy of the system. So we just plug in the formula of the kinetic energy. This is for the initial and this is for the final. And here again we get the another equation, m1 v1 I square minus v1 f square equals m2 v2 square f minus v2 I square. So using this dividing this equation 2 by 1, we get this equation here, and finally we get the equation 3rd, which means the initial speed of separation is equal to the final speed of separation. Now we're gonna use this all this formula to find the one. Now using this formula, we're going to solve another problem. So in this problem we have given two masses, mass 1 4 kg and mass 2 2 kg. Both are moving at the same direction at a positive x-axis. Now the first object is moving with velocity 6 meter per second and the second object is moving with velocity 3 meter per second. So as you see, they're gonna collide after a short time. They're gonna collide. So and here in the question we have given that the collision is elastic collision. So first we use the conservation of momentum, which is same as here, same formula here. And we plug in the mass of the object 1 and the initial velocity of the object 1, and similarly for the object 2, and then we get the another equation, equation 4, which is 2 v2f plus v1f equals 15. Now here the collision is elastic, so we can use this formula. So we plug in this value from this formula, and then we get the another equation, which is v2f minus v1f equals 3. Now solving the equation 4 and 5, we get the final velocity of the two objects. The final velocity of the first object v1f equals 4 meter per second, and then the second object v2f equals 7 meter per second.